One traffic source that not too many people know about is Outbrain. What they do is they allow you to put text links to your content on some of the biggest authority sites out there, like CNN.com. But that is the restriction, though, is that what you're advertising has to be a content such as a blog post, article, or maybe even a video. And here, I'm just going to quickly show you an example here. I'm on the CNN.com website, and just looking at an article here, if you go down to the bottom, I'll show you where your ads will be placed, or should I say your text links, right here. And the great thing about here is that it does not look like an advertisement. These actually look like links to other articles on the CNN website or articles that are just recommended by CNN. And down here is a link to Outbrain. But let's look at what the links are here. One says Whitney Houston's daughter is sort of engaged to her brother. The next article says terrible pics of famous singers before fame. Credit cards explain, where do merchant fees go? So let's just click on that. And so basically this website is paying Outbrain to have their links advertised. Okay, so let's go back to Outbrain, and basically why is this good traffic? Well, for one thing, it's coming from an authority site. You know, people naturally have their guard down, and they think that the site that they trust, like CNN for example, is recommending your article. Okay, another reason this is good traffic is that it's cheap. You actually bid for your advertisements, and it is relatively cheap considered or compared to other PPC traffic sources. Okay, another reason this is a great traffic source is that the inventory is unlimited. So again, if you start small and you find something that works, you could scale up. And another reason this is a good traffic source is that it's basically your ads are being placed below a piece of content, so readers are already in a reading mode. So the time that they would spend on your site is generally longer than if they were to visit your site from another PPC traffic source.